The maximum size that includes the ensuite is 38 square meters. So you can have it smaller. That's the maximum. And you're probably going to have to reduce this to save space because we are limited to only 250. In each bedroom, there must be a double bed, built-in cupboard, small desk, and a comfortable chair. All the ensuites must have a toilet, wash basin, bath, and a shower. So a lot of stuff that needs to be fitted into that ensuite bathroom. They don't say anything in this document about a common toilet area like for guests that's just coming in through the front door. So that's something to make a note of. If you can fit that in, that would be helpful. There must be sufficient electrical lighting and switch socket outlets in all bedrooms. So consider the electrical diagrams here. You're going to have to think it through. Kitchen, lounge, dining room, and reception. Switch sockets and lighting. There must also be sufficient electric lighting in each bathroom as well as outdoor lighting on the veranda. Included in the design must be a motor vehicle entrance off Honeysuckle Street. So that's for visitors to actually drive into the site. And the driveway will be paved with one leading to a separate 5 by 5 meter double garage.